Hello everyone, very good afternoon all of you. How are you all? Very good afternoon, welcome to Unified Study. So here we are doing the WBSET question paper, Computer Science. These questions are very much helpful for all the students, those who are preparing for WBSET, MPSET, UGC NET or any one of the competitive exam. It will be helpful for you. Okay. So here the question you can see here with the official answer key also, those who are getting confused because there are some confusion with the official answer key. Those confusion also I am going to clear here, and we are going to discuss all the questions. I know as per official answer key most of you will give the answer, but maybe the answer may be wrong. Okay. Yes, so here I am getting answer. Purba is giving answer and Purba deleted the answer also. Purba gave the answer and after that Purba deleted also. Pragya, Purba, Kevi, Janaki, Vinita, Manikan, all are here. So here this answer you are telling option D. Yes, that is option 4 is the correct answer, but here answer is A and D. Although here you are getting this A and D is the correct answer, because why? Because I am telling you, so it is asking you the regression testing primarily related to what? Regression testing means what? Regression testing means you did some changes, you did some updation. After that you are checking that all total software is working fine or not. Maybe till yesterday it was working fine, today you have updated something and you did some changes, and after that again you are checking the whole system is working fine or not. Whatever changes you did, it is affecting any previous one or not. Means you are checking functionality. So it is functional testing definitely, and it is not development testing, it is not data flow testing. We are not checking data flow here. It is coming under maintenance also, because at the time of maintenance if you are doing some change and after that again you have to check that whole system is working fine or not, that is regression. So that's why A and D is the correct answer here. Data flow nothing required, and development also it is not coming under development. So that's why A and D is the correct answer. I think official answer key is also A and D. Now this type of question, so very popular question, and here I will tell you the trick also how to solve this type of question and how to understand. Sometimes with the option students are getting confused that what is omega, where we will apply omega, where we will apply big O, what is the meaning, how to understand, everything I will tell you. So first let me know your answer, then I will tell you. Those who are new to this channel and those who are watching, try to like, share and subscribe and install Unified Study app for test series. I can get the answer quickly. So here your answer is, this one. Now why this is the answer? Because here you can see what is the highest power. Highest power is n square. Here the highest power is n cube. So definitely n cube is greater than n square. Whenever you are writing omega, you have to read from opposite direction, that it is given fn equals to omega of gn, means you have to ask yourself, gn is smaller than fn. Is it true? Gn is smaller than fn. Is it true? Yes, gn is smaller than fn, because here n square was there for gn. Gn was n square and it is fn, right? So gn is less than fn. Fn is greater than gn. So that's why it is correct. If I am writing Fn equals to big O of Gn, then this is wrong because Gn is bigger than Fn. No. But if I am writing Gn is big O of Fn, is that correct? Yes, this is correct because Fn is bigger than Gn or not? Yes. Here actually there is difference between big O and small o and big omega and small omega also. The difference is one is greater or equals to and another is only greater, another is one is less or equals to and another is only less. This is the difference also. You have to remember that difference also. Big O, small o, big omega, small omega. Now here this question is also basic conceptual question, that which of the following is the correct order SQL statement? Means whenever you are writing SQL, in which order you should write? What should be the correct syntax? How you should write? What is the correct order of writing? This is the question. What is the answer? Tell me. Yes. Here answers are coming. B, C, which one is correct? B or C, which one is correct? Definitely option B is the correct answer because when you are writing, that is select star from employee, where some condition you are writing, group by you are writing something, then having, like this way you are writing, right? Select star from this, where this, group by this, then having this. This is the way. This is the correct sequence. So that's why option B is the correct answer. You are doing mistake with option C, D, all. Means you need to know the correct order also. Correct order of writing syntax properly. This is very, very important. See that basic questions also you are doing mistake. Now see. Here do this. Which of the following action is typically not performed by the operating system when switching content from process A to process B? What is the answer? Quick, when the switching operation going on, then yes. Here one by having we did. Yeah. So here this answer is, you can see actually here was a confusion in official answer key. Official answer key is given this one, that is B, C and D. So whenever I am performing switching content A, process A to process B, means what? In if you are thinking about CPU scheduling, you are giving turn to P1, then you are coming to P2. So it is called the context switching. Context switching between two processes. Now what are the important things? What will be happen which is not performed? The question is that which is typically not performed by the operating system whenever switching is going on. Okay. So here first of all, saving the current register value. and restoring save register value of the process B, because here the switching content of process A to process B. So A was running, you are going to process B, so definitely you have to save current situation, you have to save, then you have to restore. This is required. Changing address translation table, that is actually TLB. Okay, changing address translation table, it is actually it is required or not here, and here this is translation look aside buffer, this is TLB. This is called TLB, translation look aside buffer, where we are doing key, we are adding those translation physical address to logical address to physical address translation, it will be stored, so that at the time of paging it will be quickly, no need to find out, directly you can go to the physical address. That's why this TLB is required. But whenever the switching is going on, TLB is a necessary, TLB is actually typically necessary operation during the context switch. So although official answer key is given this, but still as per my understanding, and I also learned and I also searched, after that also the only I am telling, this is actually required. This is actually required. So only changing address translation table will be not required. Invalidating is a required task. You have to do the invalidating. Invalidating is a typically required task, and switching out the memory image from a disk, this is required. So this is not required. So that's why according to me this one should be the correct answer. And you should understand, actually whenever you are learning, you should know what is correct and what is wrong. Here again you can see another question. Which of the following example of semantic rule violation? Semantic rule. Which of the following is a semantic rule violation? Answer quickly. Yes, here in this question also here is some confusion, and after getting all answer only I am telling you. Official answer key is given this one, but this is wrong. Official answer key given using reserved keyword as an identifier, but reserved keyword as an identifier, it is actually a not semantic violation, it is syntactic error. The option A is actually syntactic error. Okay, so that's why according to me this is wrong. Omitting return statement from a function, this is, we can say that is a semantic rule. This is a semantic rule violation, we can say that. That's why option C should be the correct answer. Misspelling variable name, not. Here forgetting the close brace, this is also not, because these are syntax, this is also syntax. So semantic means meaning, which is working on meaning. So option C is the most appropriate answer here. Option A, I think it is wrong. Official answer key. Now see that. Maybe in West Bengal SET there was no one to challenge. That time I was also busy. I also did not check that much. Because I think that time NET exam was there and I did not check also that much. So challenging was not done, and that's why these wrong answers are there. Now see that here. Which of the following, this is a very good question, very conceptual question, very good question. Try to understand the question properly, then do the answer. I hope it is visible. I hope this is visible. Yes. So do it. Which of the following is a correct sequence micro operation to add the number to the accumulator when the operand is directed address operand to store the final result in accumulator? This is the option given to you, A, B, C, D. You have to say which one is correct. For that you need to know correct way. How should I do? Right? Yes. Tell me, your time starts now. What will be the correct answer for this? Out of this A, B, C, D, which one is correct micro operation? Right? Yes, yes, yes. So here actually correct answer is option B. Official answer key is correct here. Option B is the correct answer. Why option B is the correct answer? Understand that, and why others are wrong. Here we are doing instruction register. This is incorrect because it is keeping the MBR. MBR directly you are taking to memory. MBR memory MAR. This is you have to take MAR. This MAR is missing. Memory address register you have to change to the memory buffer register. This part is missing here. That's why it is wrong. Here option B is correct because in option B first step we are loading the instruction register to the MAR, that is memory address register. After that memory address register shifted to the memory buffer register, fetch the operand. Then MBR I am sending to R1. Then I am doing the operation with R2 equals to AC plus R1, that is accumulator plus R1. Then finally I am storing it R2 in accumulator. So this is perfectly correct. Option C is wrong because why? Because here is the problem. Here you are doing accumulator plus MAR directly. Addition attempting using the MAR, here you are sending the MAR. After that directly you are doing an MAR. This is wrong because you have to fetch the memory value. You are not fetching your memory value. Directly you are doing addition. That is not allowed. This is not allowed here. Here also this is incorrect. You are sending directly MAR to MBR. But where is MBR? This is incorrect because transferred directly without fetching memory content. You have to fetch using like that memory of MAR. But you are doing directly MAR. This is wrong. That's why option D is wrong. Very, very important concept. For this type of question, you have to know exactly what should be the correct syntax, how to execute each and every operation. Got it? I hope it is clear, and with this question your concept is getting clear. Yes. So if you are thinking that your concept is getting clear, you can like, share, subscribe. Right? And you can let me know in the comment section also. Now do this next one. Let the predicate, here predicate not, it is predicate, T is not there, predicate AX denotes the X is intelligent and the statement BX denote X is your friend. Then which of the following equivalent predicate logic expression for the statement some of your friends are intelligent? Very popular question. Multiple examiner is asking question from this line. Some of your friends are intelligent. You are also intelligent, right? Don't think that your friend is only intelligent. You are also intelligent. Don't feel down. Definitely you can feel proud of your friend, but you should feel proud of yourself also. You can do it. You can do it. Tell me, what will be the answer? Quickly, quickly. Yes. Here. Let the predicted AX denotes, like here it was given predicate. So here what it will be? Some of my friend, some of your friend is intelligent. So there exists x. It will be not for all x. For all x means all of my friends are intelligent. No. Some of my friends are intelligent. So there exists. They are my friend. They are my friend and they are intelligent. So first of all, they are my friend and they are intelligent. So always remember, this is a trick I am telling you. With the there exists, always and is useful. And with the for all, always this implies is useful. Always remember that using this trick, most of the predicate logic you can do. Here you will be confused with here this is implication, here this is and means this one and this one. And implies means if this true, then this true. Implies means if then. Whenever I am using for all, then most of the time this implication inside we are using. And whenever we are using there exists, then we are using this. It is the rule of there exist and for all. Remember that using this trick, more maximum time you can do correct answer. Okay. Sweetie Mukherjee, I think you are new and you are doing mistake. This is not for all. It is some. Some means there exist. Sweetie Mukherjee, welcome to Unified Study. I think first time I can see this name in our channel, in my live class at least. Welcome. আশা করি ভালোই আছো, ভালো করে পরীক্ষা দিও। বুঝতেই পাচ্ছি বাঙালি মানুষ, ভালো করে পরীক্ষা দিও। Now do this. Which of the following model don't necessary requirement earliest, not necessary, I think some necessitate means it is actually not necessary. Don't necessitate means it is actually which one is not necessary, right? Yes. So here which one is correct answer? Yes, data structure algorithm is there already. I have taken so many classes. Good classes are there. Go to 45 days crash course. I have a crash course. 45 days crash course that is free. Go to my playlist. There you can see so many DS algo classes I have taken in detail. You can see that. Okay. So here you can see what will be the answer. Here the answer is that prototype and waterfall model is required because it is asking you which one does not necessarily defining requirement at the earliest of the life cycle where requirement is not required. In prototyping and waterfall, this is very old model where requirement is always required. That's why this is not. This is required always. So option B you can eliminate. Here spiral model prototyping, here you can see the rad and waterfall model. Here whenever waterfall is coming, it is required. You can't do this one. So this one also you can eliminate. After elimination only this is only remaining spiral prototyping and spiral and rad. Because wherever waterfall is there, this is always required. Without requirement you can't do. So that's why by elimination you can get a correct answer. For prototyping rad model is the very new model where rapid application development where without requirement also you can do it, and spiral model is also spiral. So that's why here this one and this one not required. In waterfall model it is required, don't need, yes, not required. So waterfall model requirement is required. That's why by elimination you can come to the answer. C and D is the correct answer. Okay, by waterfall is the identification here. Okay. Okay, you are from Sri Lanka. Great. What is your name? Great. You can watch my classes there. 45 days crash course. You can see there are not only DS Algo, there are other classes also. I hope you will like this class. In DS Algo, I have cleared so many concepts there. I hope you will like it. Do this one. Sri Lanka, there are so many followers, I know. And that's why some Indian people are getting angry with me because I am not speaking in Hindi. तो बहुत लोग बोलते हैं आप क्यों हिंदी नहीं बता. It's not like that. Computer science should be learned. You should learn computer science in English always. That is always good for you. Now do this. Which of the following are the feature of link state routing? Link state routing. Which of the following are link state routing? Link state routing and here different routing algorithms are very, very important. Very, very important. Must do it. It is very, very important for you. Routing algorithm, difference between all the routing algorithm, which one is coming under which algorithm. Yes, answers are coming. Very good. Here you can see that link state routing, where answer anyhow. So here actually the answer should be, yes, option D is the correct answer actually. Which one is not here? Which one is the feature of link state routing? It is first step, discover the router and subnet to find out the network address. Subnetting is not required here. So cost, delay of the neighbor. Transmit the information as the obtained to the across the subnet, it is given. Thus bypass the necessary of the shortest path algorithm. Here shortest path algorithm, link state and distance vector routing. Distance vector routing is working. There are two types of algorithm. One is Dijkstra and another is Bellman-Ford. I am showing you little bit about routing algorithm so that you can do revision on routing algorithm. That will be, I think, helpful to you. Just for 1 minute, let me show you routing algorithm. That will yes, this is the notes for routing algorithm. If you are coming here, just little bit quickly, you can see that these are the types of routing algorithm: adaptive, non-adaptive, hybrid. So under adaptive it is coming isolated, centralized, distributed. Non-adaptive it is coming flooding and all. And here actually what was your question? That was coming from this routing, flooding, routing, intra. Here it was coming from interdomain, intradomain, static and dynamic routing, and link state. Yes, link state and distance vector. This is the main topic here. So you can see that the distance vector and link state routing, what is the main difference? Bandwidth required is less due to the local sharing here, because in distance vector there is local sharing. Here bandwidth required more because due to the flood and send the link state packet. Here actually main thing, here we are using in distance vector Bellman-Ford, and here you are using Dijkstra. So Dijkstra algorithm is a shortest path algorithm. Now you can see the option, there was shortest path, it is required, right? It is focusing on shortest path algorithm. And here based on local knowledge, here it is based on global knowledge. Here traffic is less, here traffic is more. And here you can see convert slowly good news. This is very important line for distance vector. Convert slowly the good news and spread fast the bad news. And here converges faster. Okay. Here it is slowly. Here it is count infinity problem is a big problem of distance vector, but there is no count infinity problem. Here persistent looping problem is also there, but there is no persistent looping problem. Practical implementation of RIP and IGRP, this is also coming from the routing algorithm. And here the practical implementation is OSPF and IS. Very, very important. Multiple time questions are coming from routing algorithm, and nowadays it is very popular. So that's why now you can see that what will be your answer. So here it was, which one is the correct feature it was asking, right? So definitely you can see 4 will definitely come here. 4 will definitely come. Definitely this one and this one is not your correct answer. Now you can see that third one, transmit information by obtaining in 2 across the subnet. Measure the cost and delay of the neighbor, then it is going. So yes, most accurate answer is this one. First step it is doing risk to discover not. So most accurate answer is option C. And I think in official answer key also it was option C. 62 number question. This is 62 number question. I am with official answer key always. So 62 given option B. Option B given. But Acha, okay, option B. Sorry. Here though, which one is correct? Here see that. Option B, why not? Because see that here we are doing one mistake. It is thus bypass the necessity of the shortest path. It is wrong because it is focusing on shortest path. It is focusing on disaster. Right? It is focusing on disaster. That's why option 4 is wrong. Focusing on disaster. So it is given bypass and it is asking you which one is the correct feature. So option 4 is wrong. Here step by step discovering and it is caused delay of the neighbor. That's why we are going to choose this option B, that 2 and 3. 2 and 3 is the correct answer. Option 1 is not, but you are using first neighbor, then after that after the neighbor you are getting this. So here bypass is there, right? That's why option 4 is wrong. So answer is 2 and 3. Option 1 is also wrong. So now it is coming 2 and 3. Okay, disaster. Mainly remember link state is working on disaster. Disaster algorithm I hope you all learned, and this concept is coming from disaster only. Now you see that here the generalization has been implemented OOPS language by using the concept of what? Those who are telling C, D all are wrong. Got it? Reading question properly and understanding it very, very important. Each and every line is important. Previous question, it was wrong. Generalization has implemented in OOPS language by what? Yeah. Here generalization and specialization. Generalization is particular to general. Generalization is what? Particular to general. Right? Generalization is coming through inheritance. Data hiding is abstraction. Here inheritance is actually particular to general. Right? Inheritance means here is the parent, here is the child. So encapsulation means it is like you are binding the member and the function. That is called encapsulation. Overloading is what? Overloading means there is function overloading, operator overloading. These are coming overloading. Generalization means for particular some element you are going to generalize. That is called generalization. Now the question is, how through the data hiding we are going to achieve the generalization? That is going on your mind, and inheritance is correct or data hiding is correct, because official answer ki really data hiding is how we are getting it, because through the data hiding you are coming to some generalized method. That's why I think official answer key is given data hiding. That is correct or not? Let me verify once, because before coming to the class I verify some questions and there was some mistake. So we can't rely, it is not reliable. Answer key is not reliable. So here also I have some doubt. I am coming to the next question, then I am telling you the answer. I think here's maybe a wrong answer can be. Do this one. Yes, here this answer is correct. The data scrubbing is the method. Data scrubbing means always, it is very popular question. So many examiner is asking this question, that always I am telling, before going to the party you have to scrub your face because you want to get a good quality. That's why always you have to do the, before sending it to the data warehouse, you have to upgrade the quality. So answer is this one. This is always very popular question. Now do this. Now do this. Which of the following statement are true? About this are all the statement given to you. Now which one is true here? Read it and tell me. Yes, answers are coming. BFS, DFS. Very, very important. BFS and DFS, these questions. Here, DFS use tag data structure. This is correct. BFS use queue data structure. This is also correct. DFS use backtracking technique. In DFS, backtracking is allowed here. That is a advantage. And here BFS use branch and bound traverse technique. This is also correct. So all are correct about BFS and DFS here. These all are correct and these all are very important statement. And you should know the difference between BFS and DFS. It is very, very, very important. Always coming questions are coming from this area. Now do this question. Now do this one. The answers are coming. Very good. Quickly you are giving answer. Which of the following act as temporary storage? It is temporary storage location hold the immediate result. That is accumulator. Always we are taking the result in accumulator. Very, very good. Now tell me this. This is a DFA given to you. Take the DFA. If you want to draw, you can draw the DFA also in your notebook. I am zooming little bit so that the diagram will be clear to you. First draw the diagram, then I will show you the question. This is the diagram. This is the diagram. Draw the diagram. 69 number question. In original question paper also I am showing you so that there should not be any mistake. I think there is no mistake, but still draw the diagram here and then tell me the answer. It is the question number 16. Here I am zooming the diagram. Yes, I hope it is visible. I hope it is clearly visible. Draw the diagram in your notebook. Then tell me what will be the answer. This DFA is accepting what type of language? This is your question. Language accepted by this DFA. Questions are little lengthy, that's why I have to zoom out little bit, otherwise you will be not able to see the complete question. Now see the complete question and tell me what will be the answer. Q3, Q2 array mistake. See here. Here. In a question also it was not there. In original question also it is not there. So you can think it is in this direction definitely. Definitely it will be in this direction. Because already one is there in this direction. So another will be there in this direction. Right? Another will be in this direction definitely. Acha. Answers are coming. Before that I want to clarify this answer because it was my confusion also. I think answer was wrong. Whatever answer is given, that is data hiding. I think this answer should be inheritance only. According to my understanding also, answer is inheritance only for this question. That was 65 number question. For this 65 number question, data hiding cannot be generalization. Generalization can be inheritance. According to me also, answer is this one. There are so many wrong answers are there. Okay, so I hope this is the correct answer only. And now see, in this question what is coming. That's why always taking this PYQs is very challenging work. We can't trust also official answer key. That is a big problem. Don't trust official answer key blindly. Always learn, then take it. Okay. Don't think it as a taken for granted. So here you can see what is the language we are able to accept. First of all, L is given that set of all string ending with 0. Set of all string ending with 0. This is my final state. Q1 is my final state. So it is the starting initial state. From the initial state, if I am taking 0, then I am able to reach to final state. And after that, here also so many zeros. So it is correct. It is ending with 0. This is correct only. Right? Now the next one. B. You can see in every option A is there. This is A is not there. So that's why I can eliminate this one. Now B. W is not divisible by 2. The length of W definitely. W is not divisible by 2 means length of W not divisible by 2. Because here I can see 1 0 will be accepted. 1 0 will be accepted, so always it will be not divisible by 2. This is correct also, I can say. The LW, the value of binary number W mod 3 equals to 0. The value of binary number means here you are getting the binary number. If I am dividing by mod 3, then that will be 0. So 1 0 is accepted here. Multiple, so many zeros, 2 zeros, 3 zeros, these are also accepted here. So if I am doing by mod 3, means this is to 0 only. If I am coming to binary to decimal, then that will be 0 only. Other than that, any other value you can accept or not. See that I can accept here 0, then 1, then 1. So 0, 1, 1 is accepted here. 0, 1, 1 means 1, 2, 4. This is 0, 1, 1 means 3. So if I am doing 3 by 3, mod is coming 0. So means the value of this 3 will be accepted or not. We can say maybe it is accepted. Other than that, we have to check. If I am going in this direction, then I am getting 1, 1. This question also, here if I am coming in this direction, all possibilities you have to check, right? You have to check about the all possibilities. If I am going in this direction 1, then if I am coming in this direction 1, 1. This is 1, 1. 1, 1 means also 3. This is also 3. So this is also mod 3. No problem. Any other way can I say here? Here if I am taking this 1, then I am going to 0, then 0, then 1. So means 1, 0, 0, 1. This is what? 1, 2, 4, 8 means it is 9. 9 mod 3, this is also accepted. So I can say that yes, this is also correct. The value, whatever value is coming, because I am getting 0, I am getting 3, I am getting 9. These are divisible by 3. So it is accepted. Now the D is telling the divisible by 5 or not. This is accepted or not. The value of the binary W mod 5 is accepted or not. So I have to check about 5. The 5 is accepted or not. That is also I have to check. So let me check it. I can get 5 or not. Right. So 5 means what? 5 means it is 1, 2, 4 means you can see 1, 0, 1. So 1, 0, 1 is accepted or not, that you need to check. 1, 0, 1. Yes. 1. 1, 0, 1. 1, 0, 1 will be not accepted here. Because here I am taking 1, 0, then another 0, then only 1. So 1, 0, 0, 1 is accepted. But 1, 0, 1, that is 5 is not accepted. If I am thinking about 10 also, 1, 2, 4, 8. 10 means 1, 0, 1, 0. 1, 0, 1, 0, is it accepted? 1, 0, no. 1, 0, 1, 0 is accepted. 1, 0, 1, 0 will be accepted, but 1, 0, 1 is not accepted. So if 1 is not accepted, then another we can't do. Here if I am thinking about 1, 0, then also no. No. This one is not coming. This one is not coming, right? Yes. So that's why according to me, A, B, C. Option A should be the correct answer. But they gave here A, B, C, D all are correct. According to me, though A, B, C is coming only. D is not coming. D is not coming. So option 1 is only coming. Right? Yes. Yes, A is only. A, B, C. but official answer key is given another thing. I don't know why they are giving this type of official answer key. 69 number official answer key is given ABCD. Why actually? This is drop. This is actually drop. This question is ABCD means it is actually drop question. It is actually drop question. Okay. It is not like ABCD. ABCD means it is drop. Why they drop? Because this was not present. Although we learn it. Although we learn this one. This is drop because it is not present. Right? This is actually not present. That's why. And even also, although we learned the concept. Okay. Chalo. Now do this one. All string also not ending with 0. All string also not ending with 0. You are correct. This is also, we can't say ki all string ending with 0. Because just now we saw that ki 1, 1, 1. Because this was not given. If I am taking this one, then also 1, 1 is accepted. It is also all string ending with 0. This is also wrong. This is also not coming. All string end with 0. This is also not coming. So A is also not coming. So here is also A. Only B if I am thinking. Then not divisible by 2. This is correct or not? If we have to think W not divisible by 2. That is coming or not. But it is drop. Anyhow, this is also not coming. Not divisible by 2 because 3. It was divisible by 3. So we can say that it is not divisible by 2. So maybe this one can be correct. Right? Then we can, according to us, we can say ki this one can be correct. Because A is false. All string is not divisible by 0. Because 3 was accepted. 9 was accepted. So we can't say. Ending with 0 also not. So according to, if this is, then it will be the answer. But although it was drop. So for our learning purpose, we should learn everything. Which of the following technique can help mitigate the vanishing gradient problem in the deep multi-layer perceptron? Perceptron, where you are using mitigate the vanishing gradient problem. Yes, I will also end Lakshmi Rana. So it is batch normalization. Answer will be here. Batch normalization. This is the correct answer. Okay. Now here some questions are there. Easy questions. Quickly do it. My daughter will also come very soon. Which of the following not desired in a good software requirement SRS document? Which one is not desired in a good software document requirement? Tell me what is the correct answer. Yes, here algorithm of implementation. This is actually UGC NET PYQs. This was there in UGC NET also. So algorithm is not at all required for requirement. SRS not required algorithm. Now do this one quickly. Data link, network, transport, application. You need to match data link, network, transport and application. This is the most popular area from OSI model. OSI and TCP IP, always questions are coming in this area. Yes, what will be the correct answer? Encryption is going on where? Encryption is going on where? And in data link layer, here you can see that user authentication, user firewall, encryption, decryption is going on in which layer? That is the keyword you can see, right? You can find out the keyword here. Yes. So here you all are telling option D is the correct answer. Yes, application layer, user authentication is going on in application layer. And after that, here next one you can see that point to point encryption. Here encryption of connections, and here point to point encryption of the data stream, where it is going on. Point to point is in this, and transport layer is with this one. Transport layer is working with use firewall, and data link layer is working with this. So that's why this is your answer, right? Yes, network is firewall. Here I have, in every question some doubts are coming. Every question some doubts are coming. I don't know how West Bengal SET. If I am coming to this, just let me open. All Khazana is there with me. So here if you see, actually that's why I was confused. Establishing in connection, transpo, here actually session layer is working with, if I am not wrong, then if I am coming to the session layer, encryption, decryption, application layer, host to host, this is the transport layer. And I know that there are confusions are coming. I am showing you all these layers. Yes, you can see that application layer main works are function of the application layer, network, virtual terminal, mail service, directory. This is the main purpose of application layer, right? After that, in presentation layer, actually encoding, decoding, encryption, decryption is the task of presentation layer. This is very, very important that it is going on in presentation layer, right? It is going on in presentation layer. Now here you can see in the session layer, it is working with session ID, RPC, SQL. These are the work of session layer. Session layer functionality, establishment of maintenance and termination, synchronization, dialog control. These are the main work. Transport layer, actually main works are that mainly segmentation is the work. Other than that, multiplexing, demultiplexing, sequencing, error correction, flow control. These are also, right? Now, if you are coming to the question, in the question match the layer, it is according to which it is not given. So if it is according to transport layer, then maybe answer can match. If it is according to transport layer, then there is the chance it can match, because TCP layer, because in TCP what is happening, I am telling you, if we are matching WSI model with TCP/IP model. Actually, application, presentation and the session, right? Application, presentation and the session, these are going on as application layer. That's why here in this question we can say that the application layer is working with user authentication, that is okay, but encryption, how it is possible in data link layer? Encryption of connection, how it is possible in data link layer? And network layer working with firewall, so B should be with 2. Transport layer should be point to point and the encryption. That confusion. All these questions are confusing. That's why I took time. I take at 3 PM, but I know that those who are West Bengal SET candidates, they are also getting so many confusion. I can understand. Those who set the questions and those who gave the answer, there are confusion. There is confusion. So this question is also confusion. So in this question paper, so many confusions are there. Don't worry. Hope for the best. Maybe this time your question, those who are setting your question paper and those who are giving the answer key, they are giving correct answer. Okay, although answer is given this, but there is some problem. The problem will be there, and that's why I came here, because you are getting so many confusion. I know that. But come out from your confusion and learn always the correct thing, correct way. That's why I am giving you all the content. Always you should do the correct thing. Don't learn anything wrong. Wrong thing learning is not good. Always try to go for the correct thing. These are the main points that will help you for exam perspective. I hope so. This is the application layer. Our main work of application, presentation, session, all these main works are going on, and this is according to the all your devices, whatever devices we are using, repeater, hub, bridge, switch, router, gateway. These are all the devices. I hope this chart will help you, and I think your some of the confusions are clear, and you learn something new also, and you learn also that KS always don't believe the official answer key. Okay. Chalo, bye. See you again in our next class. Bye.